The next button we're going to look at is going to be the residue management and the separator vane. That's going to be our C button. The top is going to show whether our chopper is in the raised or the lowered position, and the current position of our separator vane. Below that is our moisture setup. The first you're going to see is moisture alarm, the minimum and the maximum. We recommend that most operators do not use the moisture alarm, because with this turned on, it simply presents us with a DTC code, and that DTC code then has to be looked up by a service tech that then can tell us that our moisture is too high. So we recommend that most customers leave this moisture alarm off, just because it doesn't give you a nice alarm like what you'd normally see with the system. Below it, you'll see moisture correction. What's important about moisture correction is you want to make sure that whatever moisture that you're getting from the granary, whatever moisture they tell you the grain is what you want your combine to say. So this number can be adjusted up and down, and it can be positive and negative. So if you need to go down 2 points and you're at 0, you need to make sure that you go to a negative 2. If you are at 0 and you needed to go up 2, you would just simply go to 2, as so. So it's pretty straightforward, but we've got to make sure that we're on the same page when we're adjusting moisture. The only time that we would want to use fixed moisture is if the moisture meter is trying to fail. But outside of that, we should always be running corrected moisture. Down at the bottom is going to be our yield units. Our options are bushels, barrels, sacks, hundredweight, pounds, kilograms, and metric tons. Most of our crops in this area, we're going to leave on bushels all the time. So that kind of takes us through our combine setup page.